Well, welcome back, everybody, to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen. So Jen is actually behind the scenes doing some other videos, and you guys are going to be, again, stuck with me. So we're continuing the series on elevator pitches and then going right into one of our favorite apps that we like to use, Gamma, to do the presentation on by using AI. This is a lifesaver, guys. This is a game changer. It's insane. So Jen went ahead and developed what's called Pitch Perfect. It's our little AI assistant that does clear, engaging business elevator pitches, right? So here, we already had some stuff in here already, but usually come in here, create another pitch for my business, right? So it's going to go ahead and ask you what kind do you want, what is it, what kind of business is it, blue collar, blah, 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 plumbing, etc. So we got together this weekend and we discussed that a friend of ours wanted us to do a one for their church. So we went ahead and said, okay, we'll help you out really quick and get you a pitch for your church and a presentation to go out for funding and for all the customer or clients and everybody come and check it out. So what we're going to do here is type in, please, this is for please do a presentation on a church. Catholic church, let's try that one. Okay, so here's a pitch for transform lives, uplift your spirit. So we actually want to do a little shorter, catchier ones for a church, spit it out really fast. Let's see, experience, there he goes, experience faith and fellowship at our Catholic church, a beacon of hope and community. So let's do 3 more variety of the shorter version ones. Oops. So let's click on D. So here you go. So find peace, purpose, and community at our Catholic church where faith feels like home. Embrace tradition and togetherness at our Catholic church, your spiritual sanctuary, our Catholic church, a place where faith flourishes and hearts hearts find home. Let's try this guy here. I like this one. We're going to use this one up here. Control C on your keyboard, which is control copy. We're good here. No more adjustments. Then we say thank you. I always want to say thank you. And then go ahead and jump right on into our tool to create the pitch deck. So go ahead and hit generate. We're going to do, let's do 12 cards. So describe in here, please do a presentation for my Catholic church, right? And then, whoops. Let's put the Spirit in the Sky. I know that's Spirit Airlines, but let's do the Spirit of Faith. Okay, now hit Generate Outline. So it's going to give you an intro. It's going to do ministries and programs all the way how to get involved in our church, right? So always do medium here. Instead of generating an item, we're going to generate images with web search images. Sorry. Then when you do web search, you always want to click here to make sure it's free, the full free to use. Okay, hit continue. And it's going to go to a theme. So theme, churches are pretty cool. So my church would be looking like really cool if I was doing a church. So this is the theme I would do for mine. You hit generate. So I'm going to hit pause right now in the video while this generates. Actually, no, let's just let this run so you guys can see how quick this runs through. So here it goes. It's flying right through it. slide number 2. But while this is going through, I want to go ahead and invite you guys to our special community that we have developed and opened up for everybody to come and sit and learn more about AI and the tools for your business, personal life, and more on AI and ChatGPT, all these different tools that we use for our business and other businesses that come to us for assistance. We want to generate, or we want to demonstrate how not to be scared of AI and to embrace it in today's world, guys. So click on that link below to join our school, and go ahead and type in church. So I know you guys are interested. And then while you're here, go ahead and smash that like button as well, guys. So it kind of aired out. So what we're going to do is please try again. So let's click down here, generate something else. Okay, so let's go back in here, kind of air it out on us, which is fine. It's okay. So I'm going to go back in and redo it. I'm going to hit pause and come right back. All right, and we're back, everybody. So went ahead and clicked that same one. I'm going to hit generate to have it go ahead and generate our, let me close this guy here. Have it generate our pitch deck. So let it run through. Oh, I'm going to have to change that. That does not. Oh, there we go. That's better. That's fine. So here it goes. It's developing all the pages for us. Pretty cool, huh? So we're going to go through these and change these pictures anyway. Actually, I don't know. I mean, these are AI generated, which isn't too horrible. Ways to support your church. 100K. It's a pretty big church, I guess. So introduction to our church. Welcome to our vibrant and welcoming Catholic community where faith and love and compassion form the foundation of our benefits and practices. So in here, you're going to change this out. Always change your name out. Right? And then it kind of goes right through. So it's pretty cool. Introduction to church. This is, look at that. Look at these graphics, guys. Our mission and values. I mean, this is, you can't go wrong with this. Our community outreach program, soup kitchens. You could change all this in here. I mean, you can change it to whatever. If you have different ones, if you have to add more to it, you can. Our worship and services and sacraments. Our history and traditions. You can put in here, here's the clergy and the staff, and then you can have opportunity for involvement in volunteering, community service ministry, special spirit groups, ways to support the church. You can also put in here, a flyer of up and coming, weddings, stuff like that at the church, or put, you guys do weddings, that kind of thing in here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff you could add to this deck here. I'm going to go ahead and hit present so you guys can see what it actually looks like in present mode. We'll start from the beginning. So introduction to our church, boom. And then our mission. Look how clean this is, guys. Mission statement, core values, spiritual growth. Our community outreach program, soup kitchens, boom, 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 boom. Look at this. It rolls right through. These are AI generated photos, guys. Music ministries. I mean, this is cool. Look at this. The flow is perfect on this thing. So again, wanted to get into this here so we can show you what we use, and we're excited to be presenting on this and showing you how to develop more slides for different companies. Well, again, thank you for hanging out tonight. Smash that like button. Come follow us at our school and type in church. Remember, type in church so I can add you guys to the list. You guys have a great night, and we'll chat soon. Thank you very much.